Hey everyone! Today, we'll introduce you to 3 traditional Chinese toys that are fun and educational for kids. Fengzhe kites, Qiqiaobai Tangrams, and Zhuqingping Bamboocopters. Number 1 Kites. Flying kites can help children develop coordination and dexterity, as they learn to adjust for wind speed and direction. Kites also offer opportunities for kids to observe and learn about the natural world around them. Number 2, Tangrams. Tangrams are a type of puzzle that has been popular in China since ancient times. It can help children improve their spatial reasoning and critical thinking skills. Number 3, Bamboocopters is a traditional Chinese toy made of bamboo with a spinning rotor blade. Playing with them can help children learn about airflow, lift, and improve their hand-eye coordination and fine motor skills. These traditional Chinese toys can be easily purchased online, so why not add some of these? That's all for today. If you have any questions, leave a comment below. Thank you for watching. See you next time.